Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Home Depot how to cancel order. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. You can cancel a Home Depot order, but the process depends on whether it's online order or store pickup. So in order to cancel an online order, what you need to do is go to the browser, and then once you're here, tap on search bar, type in Home Depot tracking. Now once it loads, tap on the first link that is shown to you, that is track your order. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is sign in or enter your order number. Then if your order is eligible for cancellation, you'll see a cancel order button. Click it and confirm cancellation. Then you will receive an email once your cancellation is processed. If the order has already shipped, you may need to return it instead. Now in order to cancel a store pickup order, what you need to do is sign into your account or use the auto tracking page. Then locate your order and select cancel if the option is available, or call the store directly. If the cancellation isn't available, call the store where you were going to pick it up. Find the store's phone number using the store locator. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.